everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's destination is a very interesting place. For those of you who have dreamed about visiting the Grand Canyon in the USA, but due to the current travel restrictions, you're unable to do so, we have good news for you. You can visit our very own Grand Canyon of India. All you have to do is head to Gandikota in the Kadapa district of Andhra Pradesh. We started early at around 4:30 in the morning since this place is about 283 kilometers from Bangalore and takes about 6.5 hours. Regarding a halt at this place, unfortunately there is only one hotel in this region and is not recommended. There is also an option for camping here which can be explored once the restrictions are lifted. Gandikota is a village and a historical fort on the right bank of Penna River. Gandi means canyon and Kota means fort. As you can see, this is the entrance to the fort. The next you see is the jail. This massive windowless structure housed prisoners of the kingdom. You can see small openings in the wall which could be built for air circulations. He then proceeded to see the Madhavaraya Swami temple dedicated to Lord Vishnu and is believed to have been built during the reign of Sri Krishnadevaraya of Vijayanagara kingdom. This is the grandest structure in Gandikota. There is a mosque, Jama Masjid, which was built by the Muslim rulers of the region. The main structure inside has 3 arches and 2 big minarets followed by smaller ones all around. Right opposite to the mosque is an ancient water tank called Kattula Koneru. Kattula in Telugu means weapons. This was a water tank used to clean weapons. We proceeded to visit the Ranganayakula temple. Made out of red granites, the temple is a small one, but the architecture and sculptures in the premises are typical of Vijayanagara temples. If you climb up the ruined outer walls, you get a panoramic view of the hills on one side and Penna Valley on the other. Now here comes the most awaited moment, the Grand Canyon of India. This is where you get the view of the lovely Penna River. This viewpoint is the highlight of this trip. This pic on the left was taken in the Grand Canyon, USA a couple of years ago, and the one on the right is our very own Grand Canyon in India. Aren't they strikingly similar and beautiful? We got to know from few locals that Belem Caves is nearby and can be covered in 2 hours. A word of caution here. There are certain stretches where the roads are really bad, so do factor in the time to visit this place. This place opens at 10 am and closes by 5 pm. There is an entry fee of 50 rupees per person for adults and 30 for child. Belem Caves is the second longest caves in India, measuring about 3,229 meters only after the natural caves in Meghalaya. This cave is more than 1,000-year-old and was formed by constant flow of underground water over a period of time. The caves hold immense historical significance as there are several indications that these were occupied by Jain and Buddhist monks many centuries ago. The caves reach its deepest point about 120 feet from the entrance level at a point known as Patala Ganga. These caves were first recorded in an 1884 expedition report by Robert Bruce, who was a British archaeologist. But even after that, these remained unnoticed for several decades, and much later in the years 1982 and 1983, a German team conducted a survey and explored these caves thoroughly. In the year 1999, the development of the Belem Caves began by the State Tourism Development Corporation, Andhra Pradesh, and by 2002, the caves were thrown open to the public viewing. We hope you guys like this video. Please do give it a like and share with your family and friends. And most importantly, please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get notifications on our new videos.